Hello friends, this video I will show you how I actually did the product images and how I'm exporting them for Shopify and for Amazon, how it's built, how the structure is, how I work with layers and smart objects and stuff like that. And yeah, this is a pretty new product that we are selling right now at our homepage, which is formgood.design. So it's a desk mat. It is, I would say, pretty awesome. It looks amazing and it has a very, very good quality and a very great print. So a lot of nice also variants. So, and today I was just changing the image size because this size here is 3:2 ratio, so I want to change that to make a bigger product image out of it, to have it like it has to be a square image and it will be bigger, like almost 2000 pixels on each side. So I want to change that for having a better, let's say, a bigger overview over this. And yeah, let me just scale it a bit down so you can see it better. This is the difference basically. And yeah, you can see that the hand has to come from the side. That's actually my hand and the coffee. All you can see is just yeah, made in Photoshop. So it's built up. It's not a photo. It's just rendered and collected and designed, let's say. And yeah, that's basically what we want to do. You can find this product on Amazon. You can find this in our online shop. So if you want to buy it, just go ahead. Let's jump into Photoshop. So that is the file. The image size of the file is 1500. I think I said earlier 2000, but I think I leave it at this size. It's big enough for the web shop. On Amazon I usually do, that's a minimum I would do at Photoshop at Amazon, but it's okay for now because I want to export it only in for the web shop, as I said. So the structure of this is pretty simple. Basically that's all crap that can be deleted. It's not a very organized layer structure here, because I have some things in here that are left behind undeleted, and maybe I would use it at a later point. That's the reason why I have not deleted them entirely. As you can see, there are some elements here. This is basically the layout of the desk mat. As you can see, it is a smart object. And let me bring all this stuff back. Basically there's a different kind of plant that I have used. And yeah, the magic that is inside of this is when I double click on the smart object, I can change all the layers, or let's say all the designs that I have created. So that I tried out for our different motives or different designs. Basically, I tried several approaches, like different clouds and stuff. So that's also the logo here. I have it here to just bring it up in the color that is matching to the design, and I can switch it here and save the file, and it will be automatically updated in a second. So now you can see how it looks with this design. That's I think a pretty cool way of adding up a lot of images in one file. Now I'm just clicking export for web. You can find it here under files and stuff. So I want to export it as a JPEG, and I want to leave as much quality as possible and as low file size as possible. I will end up with this size. I think I would end up with around 200 kilobytes. I think the quality is good enough. For some reasons the colors in the preview mode is different from the actual color when it's rendered, but so that's it. So this layout is the air layout, and I want to overwrite the image that is already there, and I have to finish the other ones. Oh, we have a kids layout, but for the kids layout obviously we have to change something, because coffee is actually not very kids-like. So I did a different layout for this, so I can skip this part. Actually, my personal favorite of all designs of all is this one coming up. I love it. I also have it on my desk right now, and it looks fantastic. Maybe you can see it. Maybe you can just see it how it looks. It's a brilliant one. And yeah, I will put a link below. You can just help us buy this, and that would be awesome. But yeah, that's how I structured this file, and I can pretty much change whatever I want and create new layouts with that, can test new designs. I did a lot of testing here with different file sizes, with different files, like even our felt material I have implemented here. And as you can see, there is no label attached. The label is here. I have rebuilt the label, as you can see on the left side, and yeah, it will look like this. Yeah, so basically that's a smart object. I don't know where it is linking. I don't want to click on it because it might open up a different app that I don't want to start right now. But you can see how quickly you can just test all the different layouts. And now I'm just re-uploading everything on our website, and that will be it. So it will look like this, and I can have different sizes. The kids design would look like this. So basically that's it. I mean, I think it's still a big, for the internet, to have a file size, image size with around 180 kilobytes is big, but nowadays the speed will increase, so the image size that is possible will also increase. So it's much better nowadays than, let's say, 10 years ago. 10 years ago that would have been a no-go. Today, in today's world, it's still big, but it's okay. It's doable, and I think you need to have some kind of great quality at image level. So when you just look at the difference, when I'm just scaling it up, it is for the customer a better experience to just have this kind of a size. So that's not the question anymore. So that's how I designed this picture here, or this product image, and it's a square size, so it is also working for Amazon. The only difference that I would make on Amazon is I would choose to have a really white background color, which is this. So the colors should be white. As you can see, it's white. You can see it here, that this color is white. And when I'm adding this one, it it is not white, so it has a slightly different approach to it. It's a bit more, but Amazon just does not allow, especially for the picture one or only for the picture one, to just be on a different color background, except some there are some exclusions. There are some images are allowed in some categories, but not in all categories. But that's basically it. See you in the next video.